Hello everybody and welcome back to Budgies for Life. And today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing safe fruits and vegetables for your budgies. So let's get started. So first is going to be the safe fruits. So I'm going to list them off. Pineapples, apples, apricots, bananas, pears, blackberries, strawberries, figs, raspberries, cherries, kiwi fruit, tangerines, melons, oranges, and peaches. And those are all the safe fruits for your budgies. So let's do the safe vegetables. Safe vegetables. Eggplant, chive, green peas and shells, small amount of cucumber, young dandelion greens, corn, beet greens, carrots, on-spread lettuce, green peppers, tomatoes, and zucchini. And those are all the safe vegetables for your bird. And now these are the ones that you actually really want to look out for, because these will kill your bird. And I'm going to list them out. These are the unsuitable fresh foods, raw and green potatoes, green beans, lettuce sprayed with pesticides, grapefruit, palms, lemons, and of course avocado. Never feed your bird avocado. Never feed your bird avocado. And I repeat, never feed your bird avocado. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you guys notice what I said if you wash your romaine lettuce, it's good for the birds. But if it has a pesticide, then it's really bad and you shouldn't feed it. You should always wash your fruits, but especially for romaine lettuce with pesticides. I hope you guys like my video, and peace out. And that's just a little clip of Lemon sleeping. Bye.